Okay, this is Phyllis, and the website is southernfrugal.com, and Mr. Bucky is going to make us what?
Southwestern always tender cube steak.
Yeah, so he's going to change up the recipe a little bit and make it Southwestern. He's doing this because I sprang my thumb on that first joint and the joint right there. So I can move these fingers, but I can't move my thumb. All right, Mr. Bucky, go right ahead.
Okay. All right, now I'm gonna get this meat, and I got to put this in here, coat it a little bit, make sure that I coat both sides of it.
All right, now I already turned that burner on, so you might want to go ahead and put some oil in there.
Okay.
And mash that flour into that cube steak.
Yeah. So we can pour this oil.
Now pour it into the skillet, please.
Oh, okay.
It's gonna take a whole bunch, probably.
Miss Phyllis will help me a little bit.
Yeah, I'm gonna have to help you. All right, that's enough. Good gracious.
All right.
I'm gonna move this off the burner for a minute. All right, you see that steak there? You need to mash that flour into the steak.
Okay.
Did you actually watch my video of this ever?
I think I did.
You must not have been taking
But
it
you
in.
know, being a man, baby, just don't do it quite like you want it done, maybe. But this time I might.
You might, okay.
This time. All right.
Yeah, you gotta mash that flour in. Yeah, good deal. All right.
I got 2 pieces. Let's get these other 2 pieces. It's gonna be in our future.
What? This is gonna be in our future. What are you
This
talking
cake, cube steak. All Southwestern style.
So you can make this without me supervising next time, I'll bet, huh?
Well,
You did a good job peeling the vegetables. Yeah. So I don't think we've done anything Southwestern like this before, but this is sort of similar to what we had in Silver City when we visited out there. Remember that?
Mm-hmm.
All right, I'm gonna put this back on the burner now.
All right. You can go ahead and get this in there.
Yeah.
All right. 2, 3, and 4. Now.
Okay, so now it's got a brown. You probably want to take those gloves off now, and
Okay.
also put that meat thing in the garbage. All right, so we need to get this browned on each side. You hear that little puppy in there whimpering?
I hear him. All right, let's see here.
All right, why don't you tell them what you got over there? Now those are bell peppers I got out of the freezer, so what have you got?
Okay, so I got bell peppers, I got cilantro. We're gonna wait a little bit on that. I got potatoes, I got carrots, and I got onions.
Okay, I think those are those sweet onions too, which is
Vidalia,
good.
okay.
No, they're not really Vidalia. I think they came from Brazil or somewhere, but they're exactly like Vidalia.
Right, okay.
Yeah. All right, well, y'all will be back once he's going to turn this over after it gets brown on the first side. And you've got your oven at 350, 375, right?
That's right.
Okay.
375, I believe.
Okay. All right, y'all, we'll be back when this gets browned on both sides.
Okay.
Okay, so Mr. Bucky is...
Brown on that side.
Yeah.
So I'm just going to loosen it up a little bit.
Okay. Very good. All right, you're about to slide off the burner there, Mr. Bucky. Okay, all right, so now we are ready to add the rest of the stuff. Those potatoes you peeled and the carrots over there.
put these potatoes in next.
The spatula's in the way.
Yeah, I'll get the spatula out of the way for a minute. Put it right there. Here come the onions. These sweet Brazilian onions.
They are Brazilian. I mean, they really are Vidalia, but they've got a different season down there. So.
Another carrot. Yeah, their seasonings are exactly opposite of ours, aren't they?
Yep. Well, I just got the whole thing in because they're going to have to be on top anyway. All right, that already smells really good. Okay, I think you need to dump your water in now with the teriyaki in it. Well, wait a minute, you forgot the bell peppers over there.
That's right.
Spread them around, very good.
Find out how little I know. Oh boy.
Well, you've made beef stew in a crock pot before. It's basically the same thing.
And I've made, chili and stuff like that.
Yeah. Okay, we need to do the water before it starts burning on bottom.
About a tablespoon.
Yeah, I'd say a tablespoon in that water. That's about what? A cup and a half.
Cup and a half, yeah.
That's good. And then dump it in.
Now it's beginning to take shape.
Yep.
Beginning to take shape now.
Okay, and now you don't want to forget that cilantro over there.
No,
You chop that up with some of the stems too, right?
Yeah, now those stems are just as good
Yeah.
as the leaves.
Yeah, somebody wrote in and said that.
And that goes for other leafy vegetables too, I think. Probably.
You're turning into a real cook, aren't you? Right before my eyes.
I needed some help on this,
Yeah.
wouldn't I? You?
Okay, now here's what I have all the trouble with. I am unable to get a lid off of anything with my thumb the way it is. So now I'm going to add some of that, kind of spread that around. Sorry about the noise, y'all. And then I got this. I'm going to let you go ahead and dump that in on the
All right,
corner.
then spread it around.
I would spread it around, yeah. But don't shake it outside the skillet. Don't get over happy with it, please.
Yes, ma'am.
Mr. Bucky doesn't cook very often because he's not real neat in the kitchen. All right, so now I think we need to add some of this. This is peach and pineapple chipotle, and I have already tasted of it. It's kind of hot, so you might want, I think it's already open. See if you can, I think I got you to open that the other day. Yeah. All right, so you want to get a big tablespoon out to dip that in rather than pour it in because it is pretty hot. Yeah, let me show you all that again. It's a Great Value brand. It's really good, but it is extremely hot. You might want to pull your skillet a little more up on that burner, Bucky. There you go.
Thank you, Miss Phyllis.
You're welcome. Are you being resentful?
No.
All right, let's just do about 3 spoonfuls because I can tell you it's hot.
Well, I think.
I don't think I'd do any more than 3. Would you? I
don't
mean, it
know.
is hot.
We like it hot.
I know,
I
but
do.
I don't. All right, well, after you get that third one
A
in
little
there,
bit more.
yeah. All right, now I want you to taste of it. Of course, you're not going to use that spoon anymore, so you can just use that spoon and taste of it. Get you some.
Taste of this.
No, get you some out of the jar here and taste of it. And I'm going to watch your face when you do that. Go ahead. I dare you. Oh, Bucky, I wouldn't use that much. I'm telling
Okay.
you, it's hot. You're not going to use that spoon anymore, are you? All right, how hot is it?
It's hot.
It's hot.
It's not as hot as that Chinese, whatever it was.
Peppers
we had in the
are,
garden that
yeah,
year.
but it's hot, I can tell you. Okay, all right, y'all. Now the next thing to do, well, you must have liked it. You're licking the spoon.
Yeah, I like it.
Huh. Okay, y'all, isn't that pretty? You did a good job, Mr. Bucky. You really did. So now, we got to find that lid. Have you got the lid over there somewhere?
Yeah, I got the lid right.
Okay. And so now we can cut the burner off and we're ready to put it in that oven that you got preheated.
Just go ahead and cut the burner
I cut
completely
it
off.
off, yeah. Put the lid on it and you're going to tote it over to the oven. All right, y'all, when this gets done, we'll be back. What, about 45 minutes to an hour, right?
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Like that.
We'll be back.
All right.
Okay, Mr. Bucky wanted to talk about the recent cold he has gotten over. What happened?
I don't know whether I want to talk about it or not.
Yeah,
It's the
go-
worst cold I ever had. My
Yeah,
whole life, as far as I know.
yeah.
I'm pretty sure, I think we've narrowed it down. Pretty sure I got it from church about 3 weeks ago. Because everybody seemed to be down with it, I don't know. So that's the best I can do from trying to trace where it came from.
So worst cold you ever had in your whole life?
I think so.
Yeah,
It was a tough one to get over.
yeah. Well, and the doctor made you go get an x-ray, didn't he?
Oh yeah, had to go.
They thought you had
No.
pneumonia, really.
I know it.
Yeah.
It was something. I thought that one time I was going to have to go to the hospital.
I know. But you never ran a temperature, not even
that's
a
true.
little
That's true.
bit. Did you ever run a temperature
That's
with?
true.
Anyway, so I got it a little bit too, but not as much as you did. Yeah, a lot of people were sick. Anyway, so how soon before the meal gets done?
Pretty soon. I think I did a pretty good job on it now.
Yeah, I think you did too, and that tells me that next time you can make it all by yourself. I won't have to help you out, right?
Yeah, well, yeah. But always good to get a few tips.
Yeah, but you got my video. You watched that video, I know, on
true.
Always Tender Cube Steak.
We just
Yeah.
have to add a few things. The cilantro mainly,
Yeah, well, you wanted to make it Southwestern, that's what we did.
and with the salsa.
Yeah, and the chipotle, boy, that stuff is hot. All right, y'all, we will be eating what, and what would you say, how soon?
10 minutes.
Okay, we'll be back.
All right, with this meal, we're going to have some fancy green beans from Walmart. Now, I like them with butter. And Miss Phyllis,
I gotta
likes 'em.
show your face when you're saying this. Go ahead and tell them.
Yeah.
I like them with olive oil.
Olive oil for Miss
All
Phyllis.
right, you're doing it, so
All
put the
right.
butter in. Go right ahead.
All right.
It's your meal, huh?
Yeah. Okay. Now I'm gonna put a dash of garlic in there. And then y'all know what a dash is, right?
That was a lot more than a
That
dash.
was too much. All right, well that'll work, I guess.
Okay. Then we got
Okay.
have you already got water in there?
Yeah, I've got some more.
Okay. Put
What
them
do you
on the
got?
burner. You already got your burner on back there, I
All
think.
right.
And you're gonna cook these 8 minutes? Is that what they're?
Yeah, very little. Yeah, they're frozen, so we'll need to thaw them out as
Yeah, I think
Probably
they're.
8 minutes is probably about right.
All right, you gonna put the lid on them, or?
Okay, yeah.
All right, since you're making them the way you want them. I like olive oil. All right, we'll be back. I think have you already got the French bread cut up?
Oh, yeah, or isn't it?
Is it in the oven?
It's in the oven.
All right, well, we're going to be ready to eat in a minute. I guess you're
right.
going to need to fix our tea, huh?
Okay.
Mr. Bucky's fixing our tea, I think, in there, and our meal's going to be ready soon. And little Steely has to always go see what's going on. Don't you, little Steely? Little Sonny. I keep calling him Steely. This is Sonny. All right. And there's Steely being real nice. Mr. Bucky's dumping ice. All right. We'll be back when our meal's ready.
Okay. Let's see what we got here.
Well, that is really hot.
Yeah, well, check that potato. Yeah. I think we're ready.
Very good.
I think we're ready.
It smells wonderful.
Yeah. Okay. Let's see. What we got now? Boy, this is nice. This is nice. Okay. Let's see.
You gonna put the lid back on it?
I think so.
Keep it warm.
Warm.
Are those beans to your liking?
They look all right to me. Yeah, they are all right. They ready?
Yep. All right, I can't wait to try this. All right, y'all, we'll get this on the plates and we'll see you in a minute.
Okay, well, we got it ready. Got this meal ready. And you can see I like a little bit more butter than
You sure
Miss
do.
Phyllis.
Yes, you do.
Yeah.
You got our teeth fixed. Great.
Yep.
All right, let me get a picture of this for the thumbnail. Move your hand back.
Okay.
All right, this looks really good. You do like a lot more butter, don't
Yeah,
you?
that's right.
All right. I'm sure this is going to be super tender. I can't wait. All right, y'all, we will see y'all next time. I think Mr. Bucky did a super job. Thank you.
You quite well. I enjoyed it.